Video, I'm going to show you how to make smart text. The benefit to using smart text is that you can apply filters to it, unlike a normal text layer. And normally when you apply a filter to an image, though, it destroys it permanently, so you can't ever go back and change it. So this is a non-destructive way of being able to add a filter to text without destroying it. You can still edit it. So let me show you how it's done. I have this file over here and it has these two text layers. So I'm going to hold the Shift key and click on both of them to select them, and then go to Layer, Smart Object, Convert to Smart Object. So now you see it looks like it put it all in one layer with the little Smart Object icon. So now let's apply a filter to it. So go up to Filter and choose Filter Gallery, and I'm going to go ahead and use this like halftone pattern filter. Alright, so you can see now that my filter that I applied on there, it's separate, so I can turn it on and off. It did not destroy the text. Excuse me, it put it on a different layer. The other good thing about it is I can still type over this and change the text. So let's say I want to change the wording. If I right click on this layer, it opens up my text in this other file. So I could maybe get my text tool and retype this. And then I'm going to press save on that. And then when I go back to my file, you can see it automatically updated the text that I typed in that PSB file. So that's the advantage to using Smart Text, is you can apply filters non-destructively and you still be able to edit your text with the filter.